Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at operators that determine whether two variables are equal or not equal. So let's say we're going to set up these two variables because the temperature yesterday was 72. The temperature today is 80. So I can run a test like this. It says if today's temperature is equal to yesterday's temperature, will echo no change, but you notice we didn't echo no change because they're not the same. So there we go. And here's another test. In this test, we're saying if today's temperature is not equal to yesterday's, then we're going to echo not the same, which you see we did right down here. Now, you can get a little bit more complicated with if tests, and here's one where we say if today's temperature is equal to yesterday's, then no change. Otherwise, if today's temperature is less than or equal to yesterday's, then we'd echo cooler today. Otherwise, we echo warmer today, since we already know they're not equal. And in this case, we see, yes, it's warmer today because today is 80 and yesterday was only 72. Well, that's your Linux tip for the equal, not equal, and less than or equal operators used to compare numbers, numeric variables. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.